In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add H1 tag in WordPress homepage. To do that, first head over to wordpress.com and from in there you should be able to see this Get Started option. So when you click on this, you should be able to sign up directly on WordPress. However, if you already have an account or a website created from this, proceed to click on the login option to appear on this page. So it's head over and click on login, and from there you'll be prompted to input your credentials. So I'll show you right here my actual WordPress dashboard. Here's my dashboard right here. You can find right here my actual dashboard. And from this part, just scroll down until you can see the post option. Click on this all posts and select the post that you want to edit. I have in here this one. Click on edit right here and then this should be able to open. So this will open the editor directly. Just choose right here the text that you want to edit, and you can see right here these blocks. You can see right here the slugs for this, as well as anything that you have. Head over to the tags, and you can add right here a tag for it. So this is our actual heading. You can add H1 tag to this right there. So just type in here H1, and it will be added. Now from there, the next thing you need to do is to just save this progress that you have made. And then from in there, head over and then save this as well. Alternatively, you can highlight right here the actual text if you want to edit. Then right click from there and you can edit it out as well and then add the text from here as well and then head over and save this once you're done. So by default, the actual tag for this is HD, so you can head over and change that to into H1 if you would like. So save the progress once you're done. So that's all there is to do, and I hope this video actually helped you out.